Hello there, and I'm back with my second video on my channel, and this one is how to download Python ideally or idle. So what you want to do is go to the first link in the description, or you could just type python.org/downloads, and it will take you to this page here. If you want to download it for Windows, the latest version, then you'll click this button. But if you're looking for a different OS, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, or other, and you just got to click these. And let's say you're on Windows, this is for Windows, so you just want to click download 3.7.2, and it should download it in the bottom. There we are. So what you want to do is just follow the downloads instructions. Pretty simple. So let's see, let me click on it. Okay. Um, 1 second, please. Really slow laptop. Sorry about that. Alright, it is installing. Now you just want to click install and just follow the steps. I can't do that since I've already got it installed. So once you've got it installed, what you want to do is just go down to the search bar and you want to search idle, IDLE. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that's fantastic. It is not working. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, here we go. Alright. Yes, please. Alright. Idle. Yes. Just like that. And then this should pop up. Um, yep. Well, a program. Yep, here we go. Program should pop up. Here you go. You want to click on this idle Python 3.7 32 bits. It might be different for you if you've got a newer version. Just yeah. Once you've clicked on it, a window should pop up. However, it's taking a bit of time on my computer. It should happen really quickly on yours. Um, yep. Wow, this is really fast. Okay. Wow. What is this? Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. So it should pop up like this. And then what you want to do is file, new file. And then this is where you actually put your code. You could put it here as well. You could put print or input. You could put it here as well. But it's more organized and better if you put it here, because you can only put one line of code here. If you go print enter, then it will just take you to it will just print it out. It would run the program straight away. So for multiple lines, you want to go to new file. So then what you want to do is print brackets, quotation marks, hello world. Obviously you don't need a semicolon, or it's not obvious, but you don't need a semicolon, and it's much easier than all of the other programming languages there are out there. So then what you want to do is run module. You want to save it. You want to click OK, and then it's going to ask you to save the file. So you have to save it, and here we go. And also, I'm not going to cut out anything, so it's just raw footage. So you guys can actually have the raw footage. Hello world. I'm just going to save it as that. Save, and it should print out hello world here. Yep, there we go. So that is how you install Python and how you run your very first program. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, hit the notifications bell to not miss any other videos on Python or Java tutorials. Please like, subscribe, and peace.